Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to take you through the entire start to finish process on how to place an order from Jowua's website. I'm really excited to announce that in my entire history on YouTube, I've created about 177 videos up to this point, and I've never had an official sponsor. They've reached out to me. They wanted to support my tutorial content. If you would like to support myself and check out what Jowua has to offer for Tesla vehicles, you can find a link in this video down in the description over to their website, and you can also use my discount code, which is THANKS. But I'll be going through that in this entire purchase process. So there's some products that I would like to buy from Jowua's website that I'm going to be making some useful tutorials on. I just got the new Model Y Juniper. So in terms of whichever Tesla that you have or what you're looking for, you can find that from the homepage of Jowua's website. So I'm going to go to the Model Y and open up the Juniper page. This is going to bring me to an area that has all of their different products associated with the vehicle that I had just selected. So whenever you find something that you would like to either learn more about or add to your shopping cart, you can do so by clicking on the little plus icon that shows up next to the product, or you can just click on the product itself and it'll take you to a detailed page of that particular product. But if you just want to quickly add it to your cart, we can just click on this little plus sign here. So I'd like to get this for my new Model Y. I want a protective screen for the front and back, and I'm going to select the crystal clear option and then click adding that to my cart. Additionally, something that's become increasingly important for Tesla owners is being able to save as many video clips from Sentry Mode and Dashcam as you want. I'd like to expand this storage so I can save more video clips over the course of time, and this option is great. It's going to give us 1 terabyte SSD, plus expanding from 1 USB port in the glove box to 3. So I'd like to also add this into my cart, so I'm going to click the little plus sign here. And an additional accessory that I'd like to get is the 100-watt portable air compressor for your Tesla. Your tire pressure can change just depending on the season, whether it's warm or cold outside, and then having an option just to quickly fill this up to the desired PSI that you want them to be at. It's a great little tool to have, so I'm going to add that into my cart as well. Once you've added in all of the Tesla products and accessories that you would like to purchase, we can go up here in the upper right-hand corner to our shopping cart. And then from there, we can check everything over to make sure it looks good. And then we can click checkout. In the checkout area, if it has not already been applied, make sure you enter in my discount code, which is THANKS. You can enter that right here underneath the products to get 5% off of your purchase. On Jowua's homepage, it's also going to indicate here at the top if we can get free shipping, and in this case we can if our order is going to be over 120 US, and I've reached that, so I'm at the point where I can get that free shipping. And then in terms of checking out, if you've gone through any checkout process using Shop, it should be familiar to you. So you can do express checkout with either Shop, you can do this with PayPal or Google Play, or you have the option to do this manually by entering in your email, your delivery address, and how you'd like to pay for this order. I'm going to go through the PayPal Express checkout option, so I'm going to click on that, and then logging in through PayPal to complete this Express checkout option. And after that, it'll have your payment method as well as the address that it's going to ship to. Just double check to make sure that the shipping address is correct that these products are going to be sent to. And then the shipping method, you can choose that. I'm going to do the free option. And once all that's done, we can click Pay Now. After that, my order has been confirmed. So back on the homepage for Jowua, if you want to check on your order, you can click on your account, little profile icon here in the upper right-hand corner. And I'm going to use the email that I had used to place my order to continue. And the great thing is, even though I used PayPal to do the express checkout option, I was still able to use the same email that I had used for PayPal to log in to my Jowua account using the shop login option. And it still shows my order information right here. And you can click on your order to get more information about it. And we can see our order information here. So that's going to wrap this one up. I hope this quick tutorial is helpful on how to place an order through Jowua's website from start to finish. I really appreciate Jowua reaching out to me and wanting to support my tutorial content. So if you'd like to support me, consider clicking Jowua's link down in the description and using my discount code THANKS at checkout to save 5%. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you back here next time.